Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Meghur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about the Mixsoon product. You can see that I have 3 of their products. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased it by my money and I am going to do a brutal and honest review about their product. I'm not going to be telling you that, oh, this product is good, go purchase. If the formulation is not good, then it's no use of purchasing the product, right? So I'm going to be doing a brutal, honest review. I saw in the TikTok trends and also in different videos where everyone is talking about Mixsoon product. A short description about this company is that Mixsoon makes vegan-friendly products. None of them have been tested on animals, and they grow their own products, ingredients especially. They do their own research and they have come up with a very straightforward product. So I was like, why not do a brutal review about it if these products are really good. So this is the Glacier water hyaluronic acid serum, but it's very liquidy, so it's kind of a toner. I really like it because the ingredients are very straightforward. If you see the ingredient list, it's very crisp and to the point. It is water as the first ingredient, then there is glacier water, and then there is butylene glycol, which is a humectant, 1,2-hexanodenol, a solvent, humectant, and a texture enhancer. And at last there is sodium hyaluronate in a very lesser percentage. I think it is around 3 or 2%, because it's in the end, I'm pretty sure that it's not more than 3%. So this ingredient list discloses the importance of hyaluronic acid in your skincare. So when there is a lot of humectants, you need to understand that the water has been taken from the surrounding, and also, if necessary, it has been drawn out from your skin. Going to be liquidy. You see, it's so liquidy, but it's a bit, a thick viscous liquid. It's not like very thin. I can see it. If you see like closely, the bubbles are kind of not forming like it forms in the liquid. It's kind of a thick watery solution. It says that it has passed the skin irritant test and it's really good. It's from Seoul, South Korea. Again, a South Korean brand. It looks very nice. The packaging is with the plastic bottle. Everything is plastic. Okay, and I love the drawing. It's so cute here. So I'm going to be opening right in front of you. I want to do a brutal review, so I never open it first and tell you like, this is good, this is bad. I want to do a brutal review, so I want to be honest with you. Now, it doesn't have any smell, but it does throw out a very chemical solvent smell. I don't know if I can explain it to you. It doesn't have fragrance for sure, but it's very potent chemical smell. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit. Oh, it's like gliding. You can take a little bit of product and then pat it on your face. Don't rub it, and just gently massage if you can. This product for me, it doesn't have any sticky formulation. It will get absorbed into your skin. The one good thing about this is that you can use it as a serum, you can use it as a toner, you can even use it as a moisturizing property. It's like really good. I really like this formulation. It's very lightweight. It gets soaked into your skin very easily. But remember, whenever you're using something with high humectants, you need to drink adequate amount of water. Amazing. So let's go with the next product, that is the Master Serum, which has Centella asiatica extract, bifida ferment extract, sodium hyaluronate, hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, and panthenol. So here is the ingredient list. If you can see, it's very simple. It has Centella asiatica, which is also known as gotu kola. If you have seen like the Korean skincare, they always put Centella asiatica in every skincare. It is just because it is high in antioxidant property. It helps to improve the skin barrier. It also improves the collagen production. It is helpful for having that glass skin finish if you see the Korean girls. So this is the ingredient that is like the all-rounder for Korean skincare. Then there is Bifida ferment extract. Bifida ferment extract is actually a probiotic extract. It has been produced by the probiotic bacteria, and these extract has been produced when there is the bacteria are exposed to glucose or prebiotics, and then these bacteria start to produce different metabolites that is essential for our human body. Especially they do this job in the gut, but when it is about the skincare, it is in vitro condition, a proper organized in vitro condition. You grow the bacteria, then you take out the metabolites from them, and then you make a skincare product out of it. But though this probiotic ferment does have a lot of benefit. It helps with the skin turnover, it helps with the hydration, it helps with the glow on your face, it helps with the dullness in some cases. So different strains of probiotic bacteria have different function on our skin, but this one definitely is helping to improve the hydration as well as that glow on the face, and also increasing the cell turnover, which can be helpful in anti-aging properties. Then there is sodium hyaluronic, which is humectant, and after that there is hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, which is another humectant, and then there is panthenol. You might be asking me like, now what is the difference between sodium hyaluronic and hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid? It is just because these two ingredients have different molecular weight and molecular size, so they penetrate into the different layers of your skin and they hold the water in different layers. So this is what this serum does. So let's just open it and see how this looks. Oh, the packaging is quite mind-blowing. I like it. Oops. Nice. I like it. It's like 60 ml. Ooh. Mixsoon. And it's like in a dropper. It's nice. Oh, and you know, this dropper has a suction in its mouth that, you know, if there is some product on the outside of the dropper, the suction will remove it. It's really nice. I'll just show you by applying like 2 drops on my skin. Woo! It's so watery, it's just like dropping. It doesn't have any smell. Again, a fragrance-free product, no denatured alcohol. Okay, so that leaves us to the last product of this video, that is the Mixsoon Bean Essence. Oh my god, everywhere there is a hype about this. Some people even say that this is very similar to snail mucin. So I wanted to do this review for a very long time. This is how the product looks like. It is very well packaged. I love Korean skincare because they are really into it and they try to bring out good products with good packaging and also provide the tools necessary for the packaging. So this is like a good packaging. I like it. Now looking at the ingredient list. The first ingredient is water, then there is propanol, glycerin. Now here there is lactobacillus soya bean ferment extract. Now what is this? So there is soya bean solution. In that they added the lactobacillus bacteria and then they let it ferment. And after that they filtered it out and took out what is necessary and the bacteria were taken out. This is what this ingredient means. So all the metabolites that the probiotic bacteria produce in the soya bean extract is good for our skin. So the bacteria that they use to ferment this soya bean extract is the lactobacillus bacteria. There is millions of strains of lactobacillus bacteria. Don't just think that it is one bacteria. They don't disclose because that is very confidential when it comes to skincare. They don't want to be in a loss because other skincare companies can take that secret strain from them. Then there is a Saccharomyces barley seed ferment filtrate, which means that the Saccharomyces bacteria fermented the barley extract and then that has been filtered out. Then there is lactobacillus pear juice ferment filtrate, again pear juice has been fermented by lactobacillus bacteria and then fermented and then filtered it out. So this is like the vegan friendly product. Amazing, excellent formulation. And I love that they brought all the probiotic bacteria into work. Usually the Asian countries know the importance of probiotic bacteria and how they are essential for our gut, for our skin, for our brain, but the Western people are not really aware of it that much. But like the Asian people worship probiotics or else worship the fermented food for a very long time. And this is what has been come into a picture when they come up with a new brand. So now let's just try this product out. I haven't used it, so I don't know if it will pump in one go. Ooh! Oh my god, it's so slimy. Reminds me of snail mucin, of course. Let's see. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. So slimy. Oh, this is so cool. Do you know the temp, soybean temp, which Japanese people use actually? It's giving me that vibe because it's also made by soybeans and it's a cluster of soybeans together. But look at this. This is like shining. I love this dewy effect that it has. Okay, now let's try it on the face. I'm gonna take 2 pumps and that is more than enough. It doesn't have any fragrance. Excellent. I like the finish that it's giving. It's a bit, you know, sticky and nice. A 10 out of 10. Actually, I think these all products are really good because they glide on the skin and they set themselves on the skin and then they get absorbed. This is what the skincare formulation should do. What is my personal opinion about this brand? Amazing brand, excellent formulation, crisp and limited ingredients. What is very essential? If you are someone who doesn't like snail mucin just because you think that you are harming a living being, then this bean essence is the alternate for the snail mucin. The same exact properties. It is slimy, sticky, has a nice dewy effect, if you can see. If you are considering to buy something that's vegan, then go for this one. So that is it for this video. If you like this video, make sure that you click on that bell icon and also subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends so that they can also have a knowledge about skincare formulation, and also show some love by liking this video. And I will see you soon in another one. Take care and bye.